They got a free upgrade from a Maserati to a Camry. This is not where we're supposed to go, but this is where we are right now. I flew into a tree. We're gonna go on like a little adventure. It looks pretty promising. Which way do we go?
I think we're going this way. Come on.
I mean, look at this guy. He's an adventurer.
No, we're going this way.
All right, let's go. I'm just happy to be here. You have a great day.
You too.
You're not upstairs to New York LaGuardia. You're now going out of gate C25.
Been a little cryptic this morning about where I'm going. I'm here at the Nashville airport. I haven't been here in years. It's really nice. I'm just trying to get to my gate. Went through security. That was pretty easy. No problems. Got a window seat right here.
Your flight attendants are coming by to make sure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat back straight tables are in their full upright and locked position. That all your carry-on items are stored all the way underneath the seats. On behalf of Southwest Airlines, this is our flight crew. Like to be the first to welcome you to Orlando. All your carry-on items must remain stowed until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign.
I'm in Orlando, Florida. My next mission is to go find my bag and then go hop on this bus that I'm taking to Daytona. I think I gave them the wrong information, so hopefully the bus is still there waiting for me. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Baggage claim is on level 2.
Woo, we made it. Just in time, the doors are closing.
Please hold on to the handrail. The shuttle is approaching the main terminal building. When the shuttle stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim A.
Not sure where to go. Oh, my bag made it. We shall see. We shall see. Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry. My bad, my bad. Ooh. Woo! Heck yeah. Met some friends on the plane.
Hey.
What's up, Harper, Jesse?
We're gonna go find our rides, our modes of transportation. I gotta catch a bus and they gotta go find their rental car.
Well, from California, yeah. We live in that.
Oh, okay.
But anyway.
What is it?
We've got their rental car from Avis, and now I am going to go find Groom, which is the bus transportation that I need to take to get to Daytona. Florida air! It's palm trees and secondhand smoke. Hey, excuse me, do you know where Groom transportation is? Let's see here. Terminal A.
You're here. They'll pull into one of the spaces numbered 14 and 15 on both sides A and B.
Oh, 14 and 15. Ah, so over
Down
here.
that way, yeah.
Okay. Jess,
Nice to meet you.
thank you so much. Hey, have fun.
Fine print.
This is where we separate now. They're going to get their car, and I'm going this way to go find a bus. Let me ask this guy. Hey, where does Groom pick up? This is my ride. Heck yeah. I'm all right. I'm all right.
Call that you didn't show up.
Were you only waiting on me?
So when we've got it, I'll let you contact.
10-4, thank you.
So you were literally about to leave? All right, to explain to y'all what I'm doing, I am in Orlando, Florida. I just hopped in this van that was literally pulling out of the parking lot when I walked up. They were walking on the radio that I was a no-show, and I just saw a groom van, and I was like, yo, I'm here. And I literally just jumped in. We're traveling an hour and 15 minutes northeast to Daytona, where I am going to go check into this hotel. That is the next mission, so that's what we're working on right now. It's the Daytona International Speedway right there. Mr. Kelvin here is giving me the grand tour of Daytona. He's telling me places I need to go check out. Joe's Crab Shack right there. I was supposed to be staying here at this Hilton. I'm going somewhere else. Number 6. I've made it to Daytona, Florida. I'm here on a business trip. Room tour, bathroom, shower, sink, reflection, microwave, fridge, mirror to get ready. What's up? View of the outside over here. Oh. Not bad, not bad. The beach looks nice. All right, so first order of business, I got to change. Sick. Made it outside this little bar area. What is this guy doing? Can you drive on the sand? That guy's driving on the sand. Can y'all drive on the sand here?
Certain sections, yeah.
Joe's Crab Shack is down there. I think I'm gonna hit that up later. Probably the move. But first I'm gonna go get in the sand. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. We're here. Daytona Beach. This is the Atlantic Ocean right here. It's so flat, it's so easy to ride your bike on. All right, so what I know from this place is down here is a bunch of beach shops. The mission is to go to Joe's Crab Shack. It's about a mile down the road, down the beach. Another cool thing about Daytona Beach that I was not aware of is that you can actually drive on parts of this beach. How's it going? So people just pay and they can drive on the beach? Okay, so there's like a pass, like a daily pass or a yearly pass, so just ask that guy back there. Basically what I'm here to do here in Florida, starting tomorrow, is a marina conference about stuff in the marina industry. We're gonna go learn about marina things, go tour some marinas and see if there's anything that I can do better, improve on, things that I may be lacking in the marina I work at. That's what tomorrow is. Today was just a travel day, and then use the rest of the day to kind of like unwind. Just trying to get my camera out, do a little adventure vlog. Look at these birds. So when I was doing my research, before I came here, I saw this place right here. It's like a little theater and then a bunch of shops over here. And it's crazy to think that when you look something up online and then you come here and it's just like, damn, this place is real. So that's my thought process. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at this place. This is the Hilton I was supposed to be staying at, but got switched over to the hotel that's a mile down that way, which isn't bad. But in the morning, I do have to go to a meeting over here. So I'll have to get up pretty early, snag a Uber. I'm looking for this sign. I'm pretty sure it says Daytona's most famous beach. All right, I found the sign, and now I'm gonna go get some food because I am so blasted hungry. Off to Joe's Crab Shack. That's a booster. That's a reusable rocket right there. So I filled up on some food, watched the rocket launch off. So that does it for today's adventure here in Daytona Beach, Florida. If you liked the video, like below, share, subscribe, comment, click here to subscribe, click here to watch another video, or here, right here, will take you to another one of my videos. But Drew Tillman here on YouTube and Instagram. Peace. I'm out. Holla.